Hey guys! So, our video for today is gonna be the 15 facts about me. So, let's start. I'm Shira May B. Roque, and yung first and second letter ng pangalan ko is came from my papa. Kasi yung papa ko, C tas H yung start ng name niya. So, lahat na kaming magkakapatid, C tas H na din yung start ng pangalan namin. And I'm 22 years old. I graduated Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering, major in structural engineering. And then I failed two courses guys in engineering. Yung isa is yung highway and then RC. Yung highway, I don't know why. And then yung pangalawa is because, yeah, maybe I didn't study enough for that. And zero base kasi yun. So, yeah. I'm actually scared of spider, guys. Yes, spider. Kasi, before, when I was in high school, kasi, my friend, pinakita na sa akin yung picture ng tarantula. And I was really scared because yung hair ng ano niya, basta yung hair niya, parang, yun, natakot na ako. Because of that, I'm scared of spider na. And until now, I don't know how to ride a bike and swim, guys. Dati naman, we have yung bike na dalawang gulong. I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to, to use that one. Pero yung tri-bike, guys, kaya ko naman. Oo. Yun nga lang. I remember nung when I was a kid, yung tri-bike ng tita ko, ginamit ko yun. Tapos nahulog ako sa may pilapil. Oh, kasi sa may bandang bukid kasi kami guys. So, yung nasa kami, daan, tapos may pilapil. Tapos, boom, pagkaano ko, nahulog na ako. Diba? Funny lang. Look, scared of heights, guys. I don't know how did that happen. Basta, when I started to know that, nung nasa bridge ako, then I was like, scared talaga. I don't know why. Parang, pag nakikita ko yung baba, kinikilabutan ako. Feeling ko mahuhulog ako. That's why, maybe that's when started I don't know. And of course, I really, really love to read manhwa, guys. Either Korean or like Chinese, Any genre. Fantasy, action, thriller, romance, anything. Gusto ko talaga yung panoodin yun. And I actually love anime as well. And specifically, One Piece. One Piece, guys. I really love One Piece. Guys, if you guys, talaga, really would watch that. Ganda. I really, really love potatoes, sweet potatoes, and saging na saba, guys. I don't know why, pero ang sarap-sarap niya sa panlasa ko. And maybe it was because accessible siya sa amin. And I'm actually a picky eater, guys. If I don't like the smell of the food, ganon, I won't eat it talaga. I don't know why. Parang sinasabi pag naamoy ko siya, tas sabi ko, hindi ko uso yung amoy. I would not eat it. Feeling ko hindi siya masarap. Pero of course, that's my lang naman, okay? Syempre, kahit iba kahit hindi maganda yung amoy or hindi mabango yung amoy is masarap pa din naman siya, di ba? So, that's just me. I don't drink hot coffee. Only cold coffee, guys. Cold coffee or like iced coffee talaga. I don't know why also. Siguro, preference ko lang din. Pero now, I don't really drink iced coffee maybe because I'm starting to, healthy living. Healthy living. Guys, I aspire or I really want to become a model or like actress, ganon. Hindi ko lang alam kung bakit, pero I really love to model like something or walk in a runway, ganon. It's my dream actually. Pero I'm kind of shy pa. And I don't know if my height is acceptable. Last one is that I'm a new TikTok affiliate, guys. So I hope that you guys would support me in that. And of course, here on YouTube, in my vlogging era, Lah. So I think that's it, guys. I hope that you guys would support me and subscribe to my channel.